Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sal speaking. Today I'm gonna share with you my shooting experience with the 1911 pistol. It was used as the standard sidearm for the United States of America forces from 1911 to 1986, basically 75 years. You may wonder what the heck is this guy doing walking in the aisle of a supermarket talking about 1911 pistol? I don't even know. I just found myself here and I thought, why not? Thank you very much for watching, and remember, if you feel sad, you better call Sal.